Good afternoon, good evening. Good evening.
Sino po ba? Si Ma'am Annie or yung sa
Good evening, Tono. Can you hear me? Yes, can you hear me? Okay, very good. Today, teacher Ann is having trouble. I am traveling in another city right now, and then actually, it's very far from my place. It's like we ride a plane, and then we went here yesterday. We arrived here yesterday, and then it's just by how many miles? It's just another city in. So I will be sending pictures for you. Okay, Tono. Okay, I really don't know. Oh, I tried to contact me, but I was not able to contact her. I don't know where is me right now. Where is me?
Sabi, bitin lang daw kami dito, pero wala na.
Tomorrow we
5 o'clock sabi ng
Yeah, tomorrow.
yes.
So will you be with me tomorrow?
Tomorrow I will go to his house to have birthday party with her because
Oh,
yeah,
really? Really?
yes,
Tomorrow
yes.
is Miss birthday?
Mm, she she had birthday
She
party
has. She has.
before party
Ah,
before
okay. Oh, I will try to message me right now. I tried to contact her this afternoon, but me not online. I really don't know why. So today is Miss birthday?
tomorrow he has
A
birthday
party?
party, but
Oh.
this party is before day.
Ah, okay. So it's birthday party. It's party of me.
Yeah, it's the
Wow.
part her
Oh.
birthday will be on um, Tuesday.
This coming Tuesday? This coming Tuesday?
Yes.
Ah, okay. How about Messi? Messi will go with you or no? Or other
Mm,
friends?
Messino where her house.
Ah, he doesn't know where Ni's house. So you will
Yes.
go there tomorrow. Ah, you
Mm,
tell me teacher and is trying to contact her. Okay? You
okay.
understand? Okay. So anyway, I tried to send message to me, but me did not reply me this afternoon. I really don't know. No. Okay? So today we're going to have pet. I will try to send it to you now. Wait me, pet 5.1 reading. Okay, how are you today, no? Everything
I'm
okay?
fine, thanks.
What's the weather in Vietnam? Very
It's
hot?
very but
Very hot?
yeah, very hot in here. Hot.
Okay. We have here. So actually in my country, it's raining this afternoon. Okay, so we've been having a very dry weather, but now it's so lucky. We are so lucky actually that we're having a rain. As what I've told you, it's very hot in my province, but just today it's raining. Rains.
Okay.
Yes, 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 correct. Okay, so we have here me. So this is, please try to have these questions answered in the reading. Okay, you tell me if you're done.
Okay.
Okay. Remember, we are already in Unit 5.1 reading. Sorry. Okay?
Sure.
Yeah,
Yes.
go, Tono.
Okay. confidence teacher.
Pagpakaon ito. Ano naman ito sinira na. Okay. Tono. Okay, so here. So college staff students cannot get on the bus without ID cards. So what is the answer? Letter? Oh, very good. Students are not allowed on the bus, Tono, unless they have ID cards. So if they don't have, of course, they cannot ride on the bus. Okay, yeah, very good. Okay, to Jane from Laura. The jumper is lovely. Thanks. Could you tell me where you got it? I'd like to buy another one to match the coat I also got for my birthday. What is the answer? Oh, letter B. So Laura wants to try to get the same jumper in a different color. Oh, yay! Okay, next one. Okay, three. Can you read properly? Please try to understand the text, and after that, you answer, okay? I know you can do it too, no? Go, Tono.
Teacher.
5 hours ko yung puro.
Okay. So we have here number 3. Okay, can you please read number 3? Naman.
Oh, gawin na.
Naman.
Oh, liog.
Liog rin kita. Okay, go. So you read now. Tringy. Oh, Tono.
3 is A.
Okay. So please read number 3. University. Go.
City holidays. From next Friday, the library will close during weekends and evenings.
Okay. Oh, university holiday from next Friday. The library will be closed, not closed. Okay, during weekends and evening. Okay, answer. Tono, change
Mm,
opening
B.
hours next Friday. So what will be the opening hours next Friday? Okay, will be closed during weekend and evening. So Saturday and Sunday. Okay. So number
Okay.
4. Okay, let us see number 4. Can you please read, Tono?
Mark, we went on the site, sightseeing
Team tour
the
of.
yesterday. This
Mhm,
is where we some more than we would on foot. So
mhm. So what is the answer?
it's letter B.
Oh, the answer is letter A. Mark, this is a letter. We went on the bus sightseeing tour of the city yesterday. We didn't stop anywhere, but saw more than you would on foot. So, okay. So the answer, can you please read the answer?
Tourists says not having walked around the city to look at the site.
Okay, so next one, number 5. Okay, please read number 5. Please read and understand. Tono here.
Okay.
Okay, go. You can do it, Tono. Go, Tono. Market vehicles unload here 7 to 10 a.m. daily. Customer parking allowed at other time. So 7 to 10 daily, every day, Tono, every day. So you can park or the customers can park at other time except 7 to 10. Okay, so what is your answer for this one?
For me.
Okay.
Yeah.
Please read the text. What's that? Okay, I'll wait for you. Good night, chicken wings. Ribs. Boy, compared to flight of a baby on. That's one of the words. Enjoy the date with daddy. Huh? Yeah, what did you buy? Hey, what did you buy, Nakla? What did you buy? You play? Huh? What did you do? Aja pinagpatuunan ni mo. Bakit ba? Ganda akong sa mall day.
Ah, masa pa doon?
ACM.
Izar sila lang doon.
Sila naman.
Asa man sa dagan-dagan?
Huwag siya pang misali ng undang.
Kaya dyan kibata eh. Sila man po. Kuyawan ni Pusing. Ay, kuyawang buging. Buging. Ako yawan na pa sa small child.
Uli lang ko kay Alice po. 8:30 na. Oh, yeah. Repeat ah. Ang mati ko din bunga. Pre naman, exam mo, gabi naman exam mo. Sa first year, ano yung mo nga?
Sigma, inahab, sigma highest honor ka.
Pero nga kay,ag-ribbon for the highest honor.
Okay, bronze na pinabilin.
Fire.
Ina po, I love you.
I love you, bye.
Sure.
Gagarahan na siya.
Kilig ulit ang.
Glig, I love you, kay. Pamay, gata course lang.
Asa na pa, Darwin? Ikaw na anak ka? Asa na yung mga Darwin? Taray? Taray ko? Anak ka?
Sige, at bisa at ko. Kasi kagda sa mga kay, ikaw mo rin duha. Okay. Tapos bisa dahil. Terus, nakas, later na.
Dito.
Tapos, gadagar din, hindi na ako makakamitan. No?
Ikaw mo, Darwin.
Tama, okay, I chose to stay here.
Manasig na. Stay ko. Okay, answer? Answer. Market vehicles unload is what I told you, that 7 to 10 daily. Customers parking allowed at other times. So what is your answer for this one? Letter? Very good, Donna. Customers may park here at times when vehicles are not unloading. Yes, very good. Did you understand this?
Yes.
Donna? Very good. Okay, so this one. Okay, so we will skip this one because I know this is quite hard for you. So let us have vocabulary. Okay, so we have here. So we have furnish, practical, okay, canal. Okay, this one only three. Look at this one. Okay, can you see the picture? Okay, you
Okay.
understand the three words? Okay. So we have here. Okay, so in this one, Tono, in part three questions, please look at the sentences below about the short story society. You read the text to decide if each sentence is correct or incorrect. If it is correct, you will mark A, of course, on your answer sheet. You will have to encircle that one. And if it is not correct, you will have to mark B on your answer sheet. Okay? Yay, with me. Okay, ha? Okay, so we have vocabulary before we start to answer. First, we have the word. Can you please read this one?
Answer.
Or do you know the meaning for this one?
Mm,
Okay, there
I
is Vietnamese. Okay, next is contract. Okay,
contract.
another one is,
List.
okay, correct, published. Okay, another one is in its
As.
Okay, yes. We have four only. So what you are going to do now, you will have to write A if you think the sentence is correct. And if you think it's not, you will gonna write B. Okay? You understand, Tano? But of
Yes.
course, please try to read a text properly. Read and understand, Tano. Read and understand. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, you tell me if you're done.
Okay.
Yeah, go, Tano.
Okay, may connection na.
Ngi, faster. Tono, faster. You still have 3 minutes left. 3 minutes left, okay? 3 minutes.
Okay.
Okay. Three, okay? Go.
I'm finished, teacher.
Okay. 11. Okay, very good. Let us check. Yes. Okay, very good. Okay, yes. Okay, so Tono, let us continue this tomorrow. I will message what time tomorrow. Okay, Tono. Okay. Oh yeah, you will have class with me on Tuesday because Tuesday it's summer class already. Okay. Okay, I will miss. Bye bye. Good night.